Start 50, flat 6 left, 100. Flat 6 right plus, 150. 7 right, line, up.
Yeah,
6 right minus, and 6 left. 150 over crest. 150 over crest here. 5 right plus, nips into 6 left, very long. This is very long, 6 left, tightens 5 plus. And 4 right, 4 right up, 50. 4 right, 7 left, 50. 5 left plus, and 5 left plus again, 50. 4 right minus, flat. And flat 5 left plus. Flat 6 left, keep right over crest. Into 6 left over crest here, into 5 left minus, tightens 4 minus. Right plus, stay out, tightens 4 minus. 6 left, into 5 right minus, and 5 left minus. Six right and 4 left plus.
Better.
6 left at radio point.
Yeah.
And 6 left nips. 5 right plus.
So wait, we need to change that.
Yeah. 7 left. 7 right, 100. 100 here, go. 7 left, line, 100, 200 mud.
Ooh.
6 right narrow. 5 left plus. Into 5 right minus. And 5 left plus. And 4 right. And 5 left. And 4 right. Nips. Into 3 left plus. 5 right minus, opens very long. Into 5 right. Immediate 4 left plus at post. 150. Very long 5 right plus opens. 5 right minus hug. 4 left at post 100. 6 left plus. And 6 right plus 250 line. 6 right plus and 250 line. 6 right minus 250. 6 right minus 250. Caution at the end, 6 right over crest into flat 6 left go. Nice. Square right. Long 5 right. Line 150. 6 left minus 50. 6 left tightens 5, 80. 6 left plus over crest, line down 100. 6 left plus over crest, yep. Line 100 down, long 5 right minus. Long 5 left plus, tightens 5 minus, into 4 right up, 50. 5 left plus, go. Nice. 5 left plus, go here. Flat over crest, flat, 80. 7 right, go line.
Yeah, next one.
7 left, break. 6 left. So 7 left here, and a 6 left. Into 5 right plus. Into 5 left plus, 30. Very long 5 right plus, opens, tightens 5. Very long. 5 left minus, 150. Long 5 right plus. Repeat, long 5 right plus, and 6 right. 6 right here, into 6 left plus, and 5 right minus. Into 5 left. 150 line. Late 5 left plus, 150. Tidy 6 right, don't go wide. Tidy 6 right here, don't go wide. And long 6 right. into 7 left. Immediate 5 right plus. Long 5 right plus here. Down, 4 left minus. Tarmac. 5 right over bridge. Flat 6 left plus 100. Very long 6 left plus go. 7 right 100. Still the 6 left here.
Nice.
Yep. 7 right 100. 5 left plus 200. 200 after the 5 left. 6 right, tightens 5 plus 80. Very long flat 7 right over crest. Keep in here.
Yep.
Very long 7 left plus 50.
Yep, next one.
6 right minus 150 over crest.
That's too high.
Yep.
Change it to a 5 plus.
Yep, 6 right and 6 left plus over finish.
All good.
Nice.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
I think we carried speed much better there.
Yeah, we did.